Now we are going to work on deleting the product. I will come down here. I will write the comment for delete product. And inside this MongoDB, we are having two products, and this is the updated product which we have done earlier. Now what I will do, I just want to delete this product. I will open editor. Here I'm just going to write export const. I will give the function name as delete product is equal to, this will be async function. I will write request and response, and inside this we will be doing the same thing what we have done inside update product. I will just split this. Come here. Inside this, first I am going to find the product by ID. I will copy this line and here I will be pasting. And if no product is found, then we will throw the same error. Copy and paste. Then what we will do, instead of finding the product and updating, we are simply going to delete the product. So here I will write product is equal to await, and then I will be writing product dot, here I will write find by ID and delete. You can see we are already having the methods. So simply we will pass find by ID and delete. And here while deleting the product, we do not have to specify all these three arguments. Instead, we only have to specify this first argument. So we will specify only the ID of the product. We'll close this. Now once everything is fine, I will just send this response. I will copy and here I will be pasting. Instead of this product, I will be writing message. I will write product deleted successfully. Save it. Okay. Exact same thing what we have done in update product, but instead of find by ID and update, we are using find by ID and delete. It will find the ID of the product, and that product it is going to delete. Now once we create the function, we have to define the route, and for that also we are finding the ID. It will be the same route. So directly here we are going to change. Now we are deleting the product. For that we are having delete request, and inside this we will write a function name delete product. As soon as I hit enter, delete product will be inserted from the file. Now save it. Come to Postman, open new tab. I will copy this URL and here I will be pasting. Now instead of get, I will select delete. For this product, previously we have updated name and price. Now I do not want this. What I will do, I just want to delete the product. And for deleting the product, we do not have to specify anything in body. Directly, we will give the ID in URL. I will click on send. Now you can see I am having success through message product deleted successfully. Now I will come to get all products. I am having two products, but as soon as I click on send, now you can see I will only have one product. Now if I come to update product, that product is already deleted. Now if I try to update this, click on send, I will have product not found. And this one, I will click on save. I will give the request name delete product. Click on save. I will open this MongoDB compass. Here we are having refresh button. Click on this, that product will be removed from the database. So this is how we are going to delete the product.